Angela, what was your biggest takeaway from the Mind Your Own Business retreat?
A couple things. One is just the meeting with other people who are running their businesses and learning, they have struggles just like we do, and how we can talk with them and figure out other ways to handle problems. And I love the questioning and learning how to ask the right questions. That's going to be a great tool for solving problems, fixing things at work, learning what everything is. So those are my takeaways. And love Steve and Christine. They've been very good hosts. It's been a very, very pleasant time here. So.
Steve, what was your biggest takeaway from the Mind Your Own Business retreat?
I think probably my biggest takeaway was having the ability to ask better questions, powerful questions that give us the opportunity to get better solutions. It's very empowering for the people that I asked those questions to. Prior to that, I probably didn't have such a good insight on good questions.